How to enable and set up FaceTime on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your settings. Here we go. Scroll down and head towards the option of FaceTime. After you find the option of FaceTime, open it. Now at the top you'll find the option of FaceTime and you can see this toggle. Just toggle on for that option. After you toggle on for that option, you'll find different sections. Firstly, you'll find the option of allow FaceTime to access, Siri and search, notification, incoming calls and unknown calls. You can just tap on each of the option in this way and toggle on for that if you want to, or in the case you don't want, you can just toggle off for those options. Now over here you'll find your phone number as well as your email address, and over here you'll find your caller ID. You can set your caller ID to your phone number or email address. With that, you are good to go. Now you can open up your FaceTime app. Now you can easily use the FaceTime. So this is how you can easily enable and set up FaceTime on iPhone. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.